Must erase every mark carved in me with the force of a cavalry. Struggling isn't a waste of time. Hearing screams within my dreams, no matter how faint they be. Be careful who plants the seed. I don't need a last laugh. If you're standing with me, because this love will set us free. I will stand against fate. I will be the bait, no matter where the flow makes me go. I will reach and find the end of time. God strengthen our bond and binds as our soul and spirit is intertwined. Risk everything no matter what it takes. Learn how to weed out the real and the fake. Battling to the end with rhyme. Struggling and struggling in this world of mine. To prove I can do more than survive. But instead flourish and thrive alive. Music that makes us alive and strive with the strength to survive alive. Feel alive with open eyes. Because this world is mine to dine. To forge, build, and refine divine. To purify the life of mine.